If you're a regular viewer, you'll know we've spent the last 7 days on the island of Fuerteventura, staying in Costa Calma. We've explored, relaxed, and explored some more. But all good things come to an end, and it's time to head back to the airport and fly home. However, we have one more stop close to the airport we'd like to visit. We've just parked just outside of Puerto Del Rosario because we have a plane to catch in about 4 or 5 hours. So we thought we'd spend some time in Rosario. Let me show you the view. It looks more like a port than a resort, but apparently it does have some nice beaches, so we're going to have a look today. And if you were leaving and you had a few hours to spare, it's probably a good place to stop off, get a few more moments of sunshine and ocean. Should we jog? As you can tell, we've had a whale of a time. Heading back to the car. Very nice brief tour of the south of Puerto Del Rosario. Oh, where are we? There's a sign to remind us that we are delayed. We've got through security and passport. We're at B gate. There's a nice outdoor area. I think we're going to have to make the most of it because our flight's delayed by at least an hour. It's deceiving from the outside. The airport doesn't look that large. something to eat and drink while we're waiting. Somewhere to relax. Look at this. Reserved? Or just lucky? After watching the world go by and waiting patiently, we were finally called to board our plane. We hope you've enjoyed our time in Fuerteventura and these final few shots of the island from our window seat. See you next time on our future travels.